Hey there! Welcome to Power Process Electrical Engineering Tech. Now we will know the names of PLC input and output devices and their behavior. First, make sure you subscribe and like the video. PLC input devices are external sensors, switches, or devices that provide signals or data to the programmable logic controller, PLC, for processing. They allow the PLC to monitor the status of various parameters in the control system. Some common PLC input devices include push buttons, momentary switches used to detect manual inputs, such as start/stop buttons or selector switches. Limit switches, used to detect the presence or position of objects or equipment, often with mechanical actuators. Proximity sensors, inductive, capacitive, or photoelectric sensors used to detect the presence or absence of objects without physical contact. Pressure sensors measure pressure levels in pneumatic or hydraulic systems. Temperature sensors, thermocouples, RTDs, resistance temperature detectors, or thermistors used to measure temperature variations in the process or environment. Level sensors monitor the level of liquids or solids in tanks or containers. Flow sensors measure the flow rate of liquids or gases in pipes. Encoders provide feedback on the position or speed of rotating shafts. Safety interlocks ensure safe operation by monitoring access doors, guarding devices, or emergency stop buttons. Probes, used to measure specific parameters like pH, conductivity, or humidity. Photoelectric sensors detect the presence or absence of objects using light beams. Reed switches, magnetic switches activated by the presence of a magnetic field. PLC output devices are components that the programmable logic controller, PLC, uses to control external devices or actuators. These output devices receive signals from the PLC and take action accordingly. Some common PLC output devices include contactors, electrically operated switches used to control high-power devices like motors or heaters. Relays, electromechanical devices used to switch electrical circuits on and off, often used for smaller loads. Solenoid valves, used to control the flow of liquids or gases in pneumatic or hydraulic systems. Motor starters, devices used to start and stop electric motors. Variable frequency drives, VFDs used to control the speed and torque of AC motors. Motorized valves, used to control the flow of liquids or gases in industrial processes. Indicator lights, used to provide visual indications of various system states or statuses. Alarm bells or buzzers, used to provide audible alerts or alarms. Heaters, used to heat or maintain the temperature of a system or process. Cooling fans, used to cool equipment or machinery. Pumps, used to control the flow of liquids in industrial processes. Brake solenoids, used to control the braking mechanism in certain equipment. These are just a few examples of PLC output devices. PLCs can control a wide range of output devices, and the choice of the output device depends on the specific application and control requirements of the system. PLC output devices play a crucial role in automation, allowing the PLC to interact with and control various elements of a control system or industrial process. Thanks for watching.